Welcome back to the Forensics Detailing channel. Today we are comparing two of the best APC all-purpose cleaner water-based degreasers on the market that I've been recommending for a long time. But there can be only one APC to rule them all. One APC to bind them. One APC to bring them back. And in the darkness, I've forgotten the words. Let's get on with the video. Welcome back to the Forensics Detailing channel, guys. Forgive the stupid intro. I'm in a silly, jovial mood today. It's nice though, isn't it?
Sometimes it may be good, sometimes it may be shit.
We're looking at two APCs, Koch Chemie Greenstar and Surfex HD, all-purpose cleaners, water-based degreasers that I've been banging on about and recommending for a long time on the channel. I thought I'd compare them both, see which one's the more powerful, which one's the more cost-effective. First of all, Koch Chemie Greenstar, £5 for a litre. As you know, it's concentrated. Bulk it down, typically 1 to 10, 1 to 5, but perhaps all the way down to 1 to 30, 1 to 40 for textiles. Surfex HD, £10 for the same litre. Can be used neat, but typically 1 to 5, 1 to 10, 1 to 30, 1 to 40 for milder cleaning, all the way down to 1 to 100. Similar sorts of ratios, these products. So on price, first up, Koch Chemie Greenstar is basically half the price of the Surfex HD per litre. However, when you buy 5 litres of Surfex HD, it's £17. You can't buy 5 litres of Greenstar. I think you have to buy like 10 litres or something like that, which is beyond what most people are going to want, because that will last you a long time. So value for money, at 1 litre it's Greenstar, but the value for money at this, at 5 litres for 17 quid, is phenomenal. So if you want 5 litres, go Surfex. If you want 1 litre, go Greenstar. Next up, simple power test, guys. Use these products at 5%, so 5% product, 95% water. Put my dirt simulator of oil and grease and soot and mud and solvent and all that stuff, left it to dry on the panel, covered it over there, tipped the solution of product over each section of the panel, had it taped off with a bit of raised edge tape so I wouldn't cross-contaminate, left those products for 3 minutes, rinsed off with the same pressure. Clear to me that Surfex HD, with that first round of cleaning, it took off more of the dirt, and you can see it. I'll overlay the shots.
With us what he thinks should happen with the toilet shipment off the back of these European collection results. And after that, at 12:45, with Jen Leila joining us to dissect and analyse the liberal Democrat performance in these election results as well. And of course, taking all of your calls, reacting to these elections and why you voted the way you did and what you intend to do next week in the future hypothetical general election. You're listening to Right Guys, sitting in for James O'Brien.
I thought I'd go again, put the products out 1 to 10 as I typically use them, spray them onto each section, wait another 3 minutes and rinse with a little bit more pressure. Again, Surfex HD took off the more dirt, and at the end of both of those cleaning passes you can see that the Surfex HD has cleaned the panel more effectively than the Koch Chemie Greenstar, which is still effective. It's still, as soon as it hits that grease, starts breaking it down, but it's not as powerful as Surfex HD. I also had 2 little other test spots where I used some APCs, other APCs that I had just kicking around. Those 2 APCs had no real noticeable impact on those dirt spots. In fact, I used these on the second pass on those test spots that the other APCs wouldn't shift, just to get rid of them. So both these products, for me, are a lot more effective than most APCs on the market. So the results of this test are Surfex HD is definitely the winner in horsepower. And anytime you do these tests with Bilt Hamber, they always come up top in terms of horsepower. Would I still buy Greenstar? Absolutely, because it's really good and it's dirt cheap. Quick summary of it, guys. It's a concentrated, phosphorus, solvent-free, so they're water-based, alkaline APC that you can clean essentially anything with. Engine bays, you know, cars. You can use them as like pre-wash as well in the pump sprayer. Same, you can use them as APC, cleaning interiors as well. Same for Surfex HD. Concentrated water-based degreaser. As the claim they say is it's as powerful as a solvent-based degreaser, which is really interesting. Both of them are biodegradable, both of them are safe, both of them inhibit rust. This one actually contains corrosion inhibitors, but I think Surfex HD, for whatever reason, just doesn't seem to promote rusting. They are both two of the best products on the market. They are both cheap. There's millions of APCs out there, guys, from JML 2000 type brands that you'll never heard of. Half the time they don't make those degreaser products themselves. Both of these companies make them, but these guys have been in the industry for decades, you know, what, 60, 70, 80 years, something like that. One of the first companies to start making detailing products, Koch, and Bilt Hamber in the UK. Not been around for quite as long, but very, very good. I'm always talking about them, always recommending them, as well as them being very effective products, guys. They are so cheap compared to all the other stuff on the market. So if you're looking for a APC recommendation, either one of these will do you. But if you want the most powerful one on the market, it's Surfex HD. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon on the Forensics Detailing channel. Bye for now.
Holding on to what I